In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and get your PayPal bank statement. Now, in this case, we're not going to use the PayPal mobile app. Instead, it's much easier if you open a web browser like Chrome and log in to your PayPal account from there. So go ahead and open Chrome, type in PayPal, and sign in with your account details. Once you're logged in, look in the top corner for the 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that to open the menu. From here, select Activity, because this is where all of your transactions are listed. Now, make sure you open it directly in Chrome, not in the PayPal app, because the app doesn't give you all of the statement download options. When you're on the Activity page, you'll see your transactions, but you can also use the filter option to choose the time frame. For example, you could set it to last year, last month, or even create a custom date range depending on what you need. After selecting a time frame, you'll see your transactions appear on screen. If you only need to download or view a single transaction, you can simply click on it and save it as a PDF right from there. But if you want a full statement for the month or year, here's what to do. Go back to the main activity page and look for the download icon. Tap on that and then choose Custom. At this point, you'll want to switch to the Classic View, because only in Classic View do you get the proper statement request options. Now, once you're in Classic View, select Monthly Statements. You'll see each month of the year listed out, and you can pick the one you want to download. For example, you could select October, November, or any other month. After selecting a month, you'll need to request the PDF. PayPal will then prepare your statement. This usually takes about 5 minutes, so don't worry if it's not instant. After a few minutes, refresh the page and you'll see the download link appear. Simply tap Download, and your statement will be saved to your device as a PDF. And that's how you download and get your PayPal bank statement using Chrome. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.